Thank you, City Church, for letting us be part of this amazing and impactful program. We're good. Let's go.
Ready na may mag-distribute ng bags.
We headed to the Now City to personally deliver the backpacks. And when we got there, this is what happened.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes by. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
And then we ended the program with a prayer.
Who understands.
And now, let's go to Catmon, Cebu.
Woke up today and I felt the sun. Every day with you just feels like fun. Holding hands, walking by the bay. All these moments I wish would stay. You and me side by side. Laughter and love in this time.
A relaxing place to
Under
stay.
stars we make our dreams.
Sunset.
Nothing's ever
Kayaking.
as it seems. Together with you, life feels so true.
Sumptuous dinner.
Just me and you.
Memories and laughter.
In skies of blue.
What a way to end the day.
When you're lost, feeling blue, know I'm always here with you. No need to face the night alone. I'll carry your heart back home. In the storm, just take my hand. Together we will make a stand. Through the dark till morning light, we'll find our way, we'll be alright. So nice here.
Paano sa'yo mamaingon sa place?
Nice for you as in, you should come here. Like,
Bro, okay na ko bro! Mamaingon sa place.
highly recommended.
And now, it's time to go home.
Feeling blue, know I'm always here with you. No need to face the night alone. I'll carry your heart back home. In the storm, just take my hand. Together we will make a stand. Through the dark